Hello, my dear students. I am here once again to teach you Social Study, Chapter 13, The Endless Universe, the third part. Dear students, please watch my explanations and do all the exercises given below. Please take care of yourself, be safe and do all your work on time. Thank you. Our planet, the Earth. Shape of the Earth. In ancient times, people believed that the Earth was flat in shape. In 1519, Ferdinand Magellan, an explorer, set out on a journey with his group of sailors. They started from Spain and sailed westwards. 3 years later, in 1522, they reached at the same point from where they had started. So, it was proved that the earth is spherical or round in shape. So dear students, in ancient times people used to believe that the earth is flat. But then an explorer, Ferdinand Magellan, started his journey. He wanted to see if the shape of the earth is flat or round. Okay, so he started a journey from Spain and he sailed westward. Okay, so he started his journey in 1519 and then 3 years later he returned back to the same place. That means in 1522 he started his journey in 1519 and he returned back 1522. They reached at the same point from where they had started. So from where they started, they reached the same place after 3 years. So it was proved that the earth is not flat. The earth was spherical or round in shape. When we look at the picture of the earth, we notice that the earth looks like an orange. It is bulging at the center and slightly flattened at the top and bottom. This flattened uppermost tip of the earth is called the North Pole and the flattened lowermost tip is called the South Pole. So students, if you look at the earth, the shape of the earth is like an orange, okay, and on top it is slightly flat, okay, and in the bottom. So the top part is called North Pole and the down part is called South Pole. Surface of the earth. The outer surface of the earth is covered with land and water. About 70% of its surface is water and the remaining part is land. So, dear children, our earth is mostly covered with land and water, but more we have water. Okay, it is mostly covered with water. So, the surface of earth is made of land and water. And about 70% of the surface is with water and the remaining part, that means 30%, is with land. Okay? The earth, a unique planet. The earth is a unique planet. It has all the necessary conditions to support life, presence of water, suitable atmosphere and its right distance from the sun. So the earth is called a unique planet because it has water, suitable atmosphere, and its right distance from the sun. That means we are not very near to the sun and we are not very far from the sun. Okay? And the water, children, life is not possible without water. So, on earth, we have water to drink, we have oxygen, we have light and heat. So that is why the earth is called a unique planet. The earth is surrounded by a layer of air called the atmosphere. The atmosphere is a mixture of many important gases such as oxygen, nitrogen and carbon dioxide, which are essential for life. For example, oxygen helps us to breathe and carbon dioxide is important for plants to make their own food. This atmosphere also protects us by blocking the harmful rays of the sun from entering the earth. Dear students, the earth is surrounded by a layer of air called the atmosphere. Atmosphere acts like a blanket. Okay, it protects us. When we feel cold, what we do? We cover ourselves with a blanket. So atmosphere acts as a blanket. Okay, so the atmosphere is a mixture of many important gases. You have learned this in science also. Okay, in matter you have learned this. So atmosphere is a mixture of many important gases such as oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. We use oxygen to breathe, and we breathe in oxygen, we take out carbon dioxide, and the plant use carbon dioxide to make their food. Okay, so the atmosphere protects us by blocking the harmful rays of the sun. So the harmful rays from the sun coming, the atmosphere protect us. It doesn't allow the harmful rays of the sun to reach the earth. Okay, so atmosphere act like a blanket which protect us. Okay, which protect us from the harmful rays of the sun. Earth is located at the right distance from the sun. This means that we get enough heat and light from the sun. The temperature of the earth is neither too hot nor too cold to support life. So the earth is located at the right distance from the sun. Okay, I just told you all that we are not very far away from the sun, we are not very near to the sun, we are at the right distance. So this means that we get enough. How much heat and light we need, we are getting that much. Okay, and the temperature of the earth is not too cold, not too hot. Okay, that is why life is possible on earth. Okay, dear children, I hope you have understood the chapter. Now whatever exercises are given, please do them. Okay, thank you.